How did the blending experience come about? Hi everyone, welcome to the blending experience. I'm so excited.
For several months, we had been offering the virtual tasting experience that sends out a kit of our tasting flight, and we wanted to have something more to offer. We threw around some ideas, and ultimately the topic of most interest was wine barrels and the blending process. The blending experience is a combination of a lot of things, appropriately, right? Combination of things, blending, right?
This is a new program for us, and so far it's
We send out unfinished wines that are actually pulled from the barrels.
You can see in your tasting kit, we've sent you 3 varietal barrel samples.
We provide information on how blending works for ONX, and then they get a look at some of our actual footage. We give participants the information that they need to blend successfully, and then we set them loose to actually compete against each other. It's a lot of fun.
So you have 20 minutes starting now. Go for it.
Anyone can do this, as long as they are of age.
Mourvedre is in there for sure. But we're more tannin.
You're going to be closer than you think.
Too much Syrah last time.
It's for private groups of up to 10 people.
I feel like I got it pretty good.
And it goes an hour to an hour and a half.
Okay, we're at the halfway point, everybody.
I've got it, Sarah.
Oh yeah, you think you got it?
I think I've got it. It's a little bit on the dry
You simply
side,
just
but not
call or email us, and we will help you book your spot on the calendar. We hope to blend with you soon. Cheers!